Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Spotify Premium super cheap. All right, let's begin. Spotify Premium prices vary by region, and you can use that to your advantage. First, install a VPN app like NordVPN. It lets you change your online location by connecting to servers in different countries. Once installed, open NordVPN and connect to a country where Spotify Premium is cheaper, such as India or Argentina. Now, open your browser and visit the Spotify website. Log into your account or create a new one. Click your profile icon in the top right and go to Account. In your account settings, click Edit Profile. Here, update your location to match the country you connected to in NordVPN. If you're currently on a premium plan, you won't be able to change your country. In that case, cancel your subscription and wait for it to end before proceeding. After updating your location, click Save Profile. Now, you'll need a Spotify gift card that matches your new region. Go to a site like g2a.com and buy a gift card for that country. Once you receive the code, return to your Spotify account page and click Redeem. Enter the gift card code and click Redeem again. You now have Spotify Premium at a much lower monthly cost. You can keep extending it by redeeming more region-specific gift cards. No need to keep the VPN on afterward unless you switch countries again. So that's basically how you can get Spotify Premium super cheap. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.